Mind-blowing artificial lights found on Proxima B by JWST. The solar system is a strange and mysterious place. The discovery of artificial lights on Proxima B have some mind-boggling potential implications. This discovery raises many questions like what these artificial lights are, what they mean for the future of humanity, and what they may uncover in our search for extraterrestrial life. What implications do these lights have on our own civilization, and what or who might be responsible for them? Proxima B is an exoplanet located in the Proxima Centauri star system. It is the closest known exoplanet to our solar system and is thought to be tidally locked to its star, Proxima Centauri. This means that one side of the planet always faces its star, while the other side is always in darkness. The artificial light beams emanating from Proxima B astounded scientists, leading them to conclude that there may be life on the dark side of the exoplanet. Currently, we have two ways to study this mystery. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched April 24, 1990, and the James Webb Space Telescope launched into space 31 years later, on December 25, 2021. One main difference is the location of each satellite in space relative to Earth. The Hubble orbits the Earth at a distance of 354 miles, or 570 kilometers. This is relatively close to Earth because the distance to the Moon is over 1,000 times further, clocking in at 374,000 miles away. The JWST, on the other hand, was not designed to orbit the Earth. Instead, it is designed to orbit the Sun with a distance of nearly 1 million miles, or 1.6 million kilometers away from our home planet Earth. This is 2.6 times farther away from Earth than our Moon. A big disadvantage of an orbit that far away is that it will not be able to be repaired if anything breaks. The Hubble has had a few manned missions to visit the orbiting observatory to fix issues. The JWST is on its own. The James Webb Telescope is named after James Webb, the second administrator of NASA from 1961 to 1968, and is the largest and most powerful space telescope ever built. The mirror on the Hubble is 7.8 feet or 2.4 meters wide, while the mirror on the JWST is a whopping 21.3 feet or 6.5 meters wide. This will allow the JWST to have a much larger viewing field than the Hubble. Another key advantage of the JWST is that it can see multiple infrared wavelengths and UV spectrums, allowing it to see through dust clouds. It is not a replacement to the Hubble. Instead, it should be viewed as the successor, because it is built to improve upon the data the Hubble has collected over its 3 decades orbiting Earth. Because the JWST is 1 million miles away and orbiting our Sun instead of Earth itself, it is uniquely suited to be used as a tool to search for life on other planets outside our solar system. The JWST is powered by 18 massive gold-coated mirrors, which will reflect infrared rays and thus form images far beyond our imagination. According to NASA, the raw power of any telescope is determined by the size of its main optic. The bigger the first or primary optic, the better. And in the case of large telescopes, the optic is a mirror. Webb's primary mirror measures 21 feet, 4 inches or 6.5 meters across, and can capture light from the most distant galaxies and stars in the universe. But it would be too big to launch into space if it were one single piece, so that's why Webb's mirrors are composed of 18 smaller lightweight segments that can be folded up to fit into the nose cone of a rocket. Each of Webb's 18 hexagonal-shaped primary mirror segments measures just over 4.2 feet, or 1.3 meters across, and weighs approximately 88 pounds or 40 kilograms. The recent discovery of Proxima B, a potentially habitable planet orbiting the star Proxima Centauri, has led to a lot of speculation about what this means for the future of humanity, especially after scientists found strange artificial lights emanating from the dark side of the planet. These lights are unlike anything we've seen before, and we don't yet know what they mean. Scientists have been perplexed by this discovery because although some scientists believe the lights could be caused by natural phenomenon, most agree that the lights do not appear to have any natural explanation. Some speculate that the lights are caused by an intelligent alien civilization, but much more research is needed to confirm that speculation. One theory is that they could be natural phenomena, such as auroras, and another theory is that they could be alien-made, satellites or rocket launches. Whatever the case may be, these lights are fascinating and worth further investigation. Remember that Proxima B is tidally locked to its star Proxima Centauri. This means that it does not rotate on its axis as it orbits the star. This is similar to how Earth's moon is tidally locked and the same side always faces Earth. However, if Earth did not rotate on its axis and was tidally locked to our sun, one side of the planet would get blasted by sunlight 100% of the time, and the other side would be forever dark and cold. Although Proxima B is thought to be in the habitable zone of its star, this tidally locked orbit means that the side facing its star gets massive and constant solar radiation and heat, while the dark side gets no light or heat from its sun at all. This leads scientists to believe that the chances of habitability on the bright side significantly decrease, while on the dark side it becomes even more vivid that there might be life. If there were an intelligent alien civilization living on the dark side of Proxima B, they would have either had to adapt to seeing in the dark, or they would have to use artificial lights to survive and interact with one another. We know that many animals on Earth have adapted to see in the pure darkness, so who knows? They may be just like them. However, if they needed artificial lights to see in the dark, this would cause light pollution to emanate from the dark side of the planet. What do you think about our search for other habitable planets? Is it necessary or a waste of time? Elon Musk, founder of SpaceX and proponent of establishing humanity as an interplanetary race, said, "I like to be involved in things that change the world. The internet did, and space will probably be more responsible for changing the world than anything else. If humanity can expand beyond the Earth, obviously, that's where the future is." What does this mean for the future of our own civilization? This is a question that has been debated for many years. Recently, there has been an increasing amount of evidence that suggests the universe is not as random as we once thought. Studies have shown there are patterns and cycles in the universe that seem to defy the laws of chance. This has led some scientists to believe there might be a grand design at work, and that we are all part of a cosmic plan. If these studies are accurate, they could mean big things for the future of our own civilization. If there is indeed a grand design at work, it could mean we are not alone in the universe, or it could mean that our civilization is much older than we thought, and that we have a greater purpose than we could have ever imagined. Whatever the case may be, the evidence is slowly but surely stacking up that the universe is not as random as we once thought. So, what are scientists doing to discover the presence of aliens on Proxima B? Astronomer Avi Loeb from Harvard University said that the James Webb Space Telescope can be configured to find any artificial light coming from both the dark side and the bright side of Proxima B. These lights provide us with a glimpse into the unknown, and their presence serves as a reminder that there is still so much to learn about our universe. What does this mean for the future of our search for extraterrestrial life? If there is life on Proxima B, it's possible that it's intelligent life. And if there is intelligent life on this planet, it's possible that they are looking for us too. The answer is still unknown. Some people believe that we will soon find intelligent life on Proxima B, while others believe that this exoplanet is uninhabitable and that any intelligent life that does exist is too far away to ever be found. Regardless of what people believe, one thing is for sure: the discovery of Proxima B has given us a lot to think about. So, what do you think about all of this? Comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts.